with him. He is Dada, and he will be with us. He will be touring us, and he will be with us in this journey of this lesson. So, before anything else, how are you today, grade 7? Will you please give me a thumbs up in the comment section if you are okay, and give me a thumbs down if you're feeling down, something like that. Are you okay today? May I see those thumbs up and thumbs down? Okay, thank you so much, John Mark. I think that you are very okay. Nice one, lady. Thank you so much. Thank you, Camille. And for those who are willing to give their thumbs up or 2 thumbs up, that's very okay. And now we will start with the prayer. Will you please lead us in prayer, Camille?
Are you ready to pray, classmate?
Yes, we are.
In the name
Okay,
of the
let's pray.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this wonderful day. We hope that we will have a fruitful and enjoyable virtual class experience. This we ask, Christ Jesus our Lord. Amen.
Okay, thank you so much, Camille, for that prayer. For right at this moment, Danica, will you please check the attendance for today?
Today we have 7 girls and 7 boys with a total
How
of
many?
4 students.
Okay, thank you so much because I already checked your attendance here. And later on, I will send this to you and then I will update it, okay? So that you will be able to monitor and kindly help me to check their recitation later, okay? As much as possible, let's help each other. Then, how was your emotion today? Since it's already in the afternoon, I know that you're already tired. Someone is yawning right now. But let me know, how are you feeling today? Will you please comment? If you are okay, just give me a smile and a heart. Or if you feel love, you can do that. And if you're feeling down, let's talk about it later. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay. It seems that you are always happy and you're very sanguine, huh? Okay, so these are the things that you need to remember, the premises or the reminders, and I call this one web beatitudes. Okay, proper behavior and attitudes before, during, and after the virtual class. Not only your netiquette, but also your attitude. Okay, number 1, do not forget to turn on your webcam and turn off your microphone. And next, help from cyberbullying or misbehavior during the virtual class. That's a no-no, huh? Okay, and letter A, actively participate while in the class is ongoing. While you are actively participating as much as possible, please respect one another. Wait for your turn. And letter R, respect one another as you wanted to be respected by others. Letter Y, yield only to your teacher in front of you and with your parents' guidance. Who is your teacher for today? May I hear someone? Who is your teacher for today?
Teacher Da.
Okay, thank you so much. You will not forget my name. And last, but definitely not the least, learn to say I teacher Da, your name, if you want to answer. Do not forget that. I teacher Da, and then your name if you want to answer. Okay? Do not forget that, class. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Remember my name. Okay, now let's go back to the past. Okay, many of us didn't want to go back to the past, but here in our lesson, it is a must to go back to the past. Okay, so what is the past lesson that we have last time? So I called it the picture perfect direction. Given the pictures of the following, reveal the terms that is related from the prior topic. So we have a lot of prior topics last time regarding this pictures. So all you have to do is to give me the picture perfect message. So who wants to answer number 1?
I teacher Jason.
Okay, Jason, please read and then answer.
Composed of only one kind of atom is element.
Okay, what is this? Okay, very good. That is an element. What is this element, Jason, by the way? What is this, Jason?
Element is composed of
Okay, what is this element in the picture? What is this? With one Atom. With letter
Yes.
H. What is that? What is that element? Hydro.
Hydrogen.
Okay, very good. And picture perfect number two. Who wants to try to answer? Anyone?
I teacher that.
Who is that? What's your name?
AC.
Okay, lady. Okay. Will you
Compose,
please? Okay,
compose
go
of
ahead.
compose of two different or the same kinds of atoms.
What is
Compound.
it? Okay,
Compound.
very good. I have a bright class, huh? It seems that you well listened last time. And picture perfect number three. Who wants to answer? Anyone from the class? Are you still there?
I
Wait.
teacher that lady. I teacher
Okay.
that Nika.
Okay, Nika. Kindly answer.
Salt in the solution is considered to be the
Considered the solute. Very good. Will you please give yourself a virtual clap? Okay, very good. And those are the tasks that we have for the last topic that we have discussed. And today, we will have another new topic. Are you excited, class?
Yes.
Yes.
It's like no energy. Make it 0% energy, okay? Are you ready to know the... Okay, that's good. Are you ready to know the topic for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. And for us to know our topic for today, let us solve the picture equation. Given the picture below, actually pictures, because I will post it one by one, solve the equation to reveal the topic for today. Let's ask or let's have the first picture. What can you say about the picture? Anyone? It has like a bulb and like questioning, and then a light bulb and questioning. Anyone who wants to answer?
Teacher that. I teacher that.
Lian. Okay, Lian. Will you please answer the first picture equation? May I
I think it's guessing.
guessing? No. Maybe a little bit. A
I
little bit.
teacher
Make
that
it more
Jason.
scientific. Oh, Jason. What is it, Jason?
Identifying.
Okay, very good. Identifying is the scientific term. Okay. How about the second picture equation? We have A, and then what are this? What are these things?
I teacher that.
Those are what?
Seed.
Okay, very good. Those are seeds. So A plus seeds we have.
Acid.
Anyone?
Acid.
Okay, very good. Okay, how about the third picture equation? So these are, what are these? These are bases.
Bases.
Okay? Bases minus B plus B. What will be the word for today?
I teacher the
I
Lian.
teacher
Gotcha.
that.
Okay, Ian.
Base.
Okay, bases. So, what will be our topic for today? Anyone?
Identifying acids and bases.
Okay, very good, Mark. So our hot topic for today, identifying acids and bases. So again, this is Dada. He's presenting to you our topic for today. Please sit back, relax, and make everything active as much as possible. Okay? So these are the prob words or the unfamiliar words that we will encounter later on as we go on to our topic, because not that every one of you here are good in dictionary. So maybe some of the words that you will see or you will hear later on, maybe you're confusing. Sir, what is that? What is this? How about that? I can understand that. Okay, so I called it the puzzle fit. Fit the shape to each container to solve the prob words for today. Who wants to answer number one?
Me, I teacher the Lian's
Me, I
balance or
okay.
equal neutral.
Okay, let's check. Very good. That is neutral. How about the second one?
I teacher
I
the
teacher
lady.
that. I teacher
I
that.
teacher
Lady,
the
lady. Go
product
ahead, lady.
to withdraw a juice from extract.
Extract. Very good. How about the third one? Sorry. The third one is essential nature or
Substance.
quality is substance. Okay, that is the last word. So do not forget those three words. What are those three words? We have
Neutral.
Neutral, extra,
extra, extra, and
substance.
substance. Okay, do not forget that, class. Am I clear? So what will be the purpose for today? So what will be our goal? What will be our objective for today's lesson? During and after the lesson, students, you, especially you grade 7, should be able to, number one, but we have a problem. Our first word is a jumbled word. Will you please help me to
I teacher the lady. I teacher
lady,
the define
define what?
acid and bases.
Maybe later we can check that. Number one is define. Very good. Nice one. You got it, huh? Very good, lady. How about the second one? Anyone from the virtual
Teacher
class?
the, teacher the.
Mark.
Newell.
Identify acid and bases with the use of indicators.
Okay, very good. Identify. You got it right, huh? How about the third one? The third purpose.
I teacher that John Mark.
Okay, John Mark. I heard your name, John Mark.
Perform the home-based task related to the topic.
Okay, so perform. Very good. I have a bright
teacher
class.
I
Okay, who's
teacher
that?
the.
Camille.
I teacher the. Camille.
Camille. Go ahead, Camille.
Get 3 correct answers out of 5 item, please.
Okay, so those are the purposes or our objectives or goals for today's topic. So do not forget them because at the end, we will be able to answer those purposes. Okay, so what are the provision? The provision is that I will test your vision in the following setup. I will know for today's setup if your vision is 2020 or greater than 2020 or less than 2020. Let me see your professional vision. Okay, are you ready to know the setup A and setup B?
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to setup A first. So in the provision class, let's test how observant your eyes are by looking at the simulation on your right. So as you can see, we have the substance S on your right corner. So basically, class, you see that strip of paper, right? We have our flip lesson in your Google Classroom. So based on our flip lesson in your Google Classroom, what do you call that strip of paper?
I teacher that Jason.
Okay, Jason, what is it? Will you
That
please
is
help you?
litmus
That,
paper.
okay, very good, Jason. That is a litmus paper. Okay. And for question number one, since we have the red litmus paper on this part, the question is, what happened to the red litmus paper when dipped in the X substance?
I teacher that Lians.
Okay, Lian, will you please inform your classmates what happened?
The red litmus paper is turned blue.
Is it the whole part of the litmus paper or the half part?
The half part.
Okay, very good. You nailed it, huh? So the answer, the half part of the red litmus paper turns into blue. So we will know what is that substance X. So you all know that in the commercial, right? In the different advertisement, in the commercials in the television, you see that brand X, brand Y, you see a lot of them. So we are going to identify those substance X and substance Y in the following lesson. Okay, so and now we will go to setup B. So the same thing, question number 2. In setup B, what happened to the blue litmus paper when dipped in the Y substance? Anyone who can help your classmates to be educated for today? Anyone? What happened to the blue litmus paper?
I teacher the Lians.
Okay, Lian, let's give chance to others. You answered the first one. From the other grade 7, what happened to the blue litmus paper?
I teacher the Mark.
Okay, Mark, Royo.
The half of the blue litmus paper turned into red.
Okay, very good. I am a bright student, huh? So the half part of the blue litmus paper turns into red. And now, baby, mind-blowing question that inside of our brain cells is that what are those substance X and substance Y? Would you like to know today?
Yes.
Okay, so now we will identify the substances X and Y in this lesson. So I hope that you already know what will be your assumption for today's topic. Can you make a hypothesis regarding this setup? Or any guess or any educational guess regarding what happened? What is in the substance X and what is in the substance Y? Anyone?
I
Can I
teacher
have one or who's that? Lian.
the
Okay,
uh,
Lian.
if
Just a
the
hypothesis.
paper is pour is until poured in substance X, it will turn blue, and if the
Okay.
blue litmus paper pour in substance Y, it turned red. It's like opposite.
Oh, it's like opposite. Very good. Very good observation, huh? That's a nice hypothesis. How about another one? Maybe a one-liner or two-liners will do from your classmates. Anyone? Anyone? Hello there. You can wave your hands, class. Another hypothesis regarding the substance X and the substance Y.
I teacher that Jason.
Okay, Jason, can you please honor give us at least one hypothesis regarding this matter?
My hypothesis is red litmus paper is for substance X while the blue litmus paper
Okay.
is for substance Y.
Why do you say so? What is your hypothesis in substance X and substance Y? What do you think are these substances? Do you have any idea? Jason, do you have any idea what are these substances? Or none at all?
Not at all, sir.
None at all. So, since you don't have any idea regarding this one, very good. Thank you so much for those hypotheses. And now, we will educate you, students, what are those substances? Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
the project home base, in the project home base class, it is included in our flip lesson. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Because some of you, I already graded them because they already send their flip lesson activity sheet in the right day. Okay? Because you saw the rubrics, right? You should always see the rubrics before submitting your activity sheet. So these are the precautions before you go to your pre or your project home base. Actually, you are already done with this one, but I want you to be reminded with the precautions. These are the three basic precautions for better experimentation. Number one, do not eat or drink anything during the experiment. As much as possible, do not smell, do not touch, okay? And number two, behave during the experiment. You see Dada? Dada is so behave. So, be like Dada. And number three, we have follow instructions of your teacher and as much as possible, your guardians and your parents with you, like what we have discussed in your flip lesson. Okay, so before anything else, before we go deep into our topic for today, and before we know those substance X and substance Y that turns into this color and into this color, I just want you to be reminded that not all rainbows are located in the sky. We have here the pH scale. Will you please say pH scale? Anyone? Any two? Any three? pH scale. Everybody say pH scale.
pH scale.
Okay. Are you familiar with the word pH? pH scale. Are you familiar with this?
No.
Where do you heard about it? Where do you heard about it? Anyone? I will give you a hint. In a commercial, pH blank. What is that?
PHK.
Very good. pH care. So that is always in the commercial, but you are not aware of it, right? But today,
Yes.
you will know about this pH scale. So, I want you to look at this hydrogen atom. That is a hydrogen atom. What can you say about the picture of the hydrogen atom so that we will be able to know what pH means?
I teacher the lians.
Okay, what can you say about the atom of hydrogen, Lian?
The atom in the picture is the hydrogen
Okay,
in the
go
picture
ahead.
is powerful like power.
Powerful. Very good. It has the strength. So what can you say about pH? It is powerful and with the hydrogen atom.
Powerful hydrogen.
Powerful hydrogen again. You need to delete something.
Power
Again,
hydrogen.
very good. Very good. Power of hydrogen. You deserve a virtual clap from your teacher. Very nice. So as you can see, these are the color of the rainbows, but not all the rainbows are located in the sky. It is in the pH scale. Also, you will know later on what is this pH scale and what it is used for. Okay, so in the project home base, given your task in your Google Classroom, we can now proceed to the actual experimentation. Okay, so in your flipped classroom, you have task number one and we have task number two. I will just show you so that your classmates are reminded, they have the guts to be able, oh, I forgot that one, I forgot this one. Okay, so I will just show it to your classmates in your flip lesson in our Google Classroom. Is it okay with you, class? For those who submitted, is it okay?
Yes.
Na, sir.
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so much for caring for your classmates. So this is our procedure number two, or on how to make our. Okay, can you see it now, class?
Opo.
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, very good. So in our classwork, we have here the different tasks, right? And this is our flip lesson. I have my own video here, and in our flip lesson, these are all the things that you need to prepare, and you have here the following things that you need to do. And I already given the grades of those who submitted. I just want to share to the class so that some of you will become motivated when they see this one. See, some other missing, but some other have their scores already because of the rubrics that you have read when you submit your fact sheet. Okay, let's go to the second part. So in your second part, this is the preparation of the materials needed. Very good. I have here also the video and the rubrics for you to complete. Some of you complied and some of you weren't. But that's okay. We can learn from the mistakes. So this is the project home base of your classmates. They already have the prepared one so that all of us will just have to watch and observe. Is it okay with you, class? Give me a
Yes.
thumbs up. Okay. You can give me a
Yes,
thumbs up in
sir.
the comment section, okay? So you should have the following setup and materials. We need to have the red kamote top extract. See the extract. And then you have salt in water, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, tap water, calamansi, soft drinks as much as possible, colorless, vinegar, baking soda, and buko juice. So those are the different materials and ingredients that you need to be able to prepare. And most of your classmates already prepared for it, and that's a good job. Okay, you deserve a virtual clap from your teacher. Okay, let's go now. So this is the project home base, 3 steps to follow. Very, very basic. And as you can see, Dada is cheering you up right now. Number one, letter D, drop or pour at least 1 ml of red kamote top extract from the magical tumbler in each setup. H, honest observation of the changes happen. And letter A, account or track and write all the changes observation in the given table. Is it clear, class? Okay.
Yes.
And now, this is the project home base of your classmates. One of your classmates already prepared for this one. And his name is.
This is my video experiment
Okay.
presentation. In this experiment, we
Pyrenopal,
Okay, actually already done with this one, right? So maybe like we can pass it forward. Okay, let's pass it forward. You already done with this preparations and all the things that I've told you to do in your flip lesson. Very good. And Renyopal, very good. Job well done. Nailed it, huh? Okay, so to give a short presentation, these are all the, sorry. Okay, let's watch this one first. Because I prepared all those students who make their effort, okay, to make this experimentation possible. Thank you so much, and this is the entire duration of your experimentation in your house.
Go, Danica.
Yes, very good. Danica, you did it well because you follow all the things that I told you to do. Very good setup, huh? Nice one. I like the way how you put all the labels because it's very readable. That's okay. That's highly commendable, Rayana. Okay, also this one, Wea is in the kitchen. So basically, all the substances that out is located just inside their house. That's located inside their kitchen. Okay, this one is from Jason. I like the way how you zoom it, Jason, because you have a very small label and you were able to zoom it in so that you will be able to see all the names of those substances. Good job, huh? This one is from Mark Royo. I like the way how you show, how you steer it, and how you present your video here. Because while doing it, actually you are explaining, okay, before, during, and after. And this one is from Lian, from grade 17. These are all the products of what he has done in his project home base. Very good too. Okay, the colors are very evident, right? So based on the colors and the observable colors or observed colors, that is when the time we are going to identify the two substances. Okay, thank you. Okay, time's up. And I hope, are you all ready for the PearDeck assessment class?
Yes.
Are
Yes,
you
po.
ready? Okay, so we can now proceed to the PearDeck assessment. I will just stop my presentation and we will go to the PearDeck. Am I clear, class? Okay?
Yes.
So I assume that you already have your activity sheet in your hand right now. So we can now proceed to the PearDeck. So in your presentation, we will use the PearDeck application. So do not worry, this is just inside the Google Slides. Okay. You're now using your phone, class? Are you now using your phone?
Yes.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Very nice. So actually, I already done with the following substances. I already done with the following substances, and I want you to also monitor if we have the same answer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Before we go to the PearDeck, So this is our task for today. We will be able to complete, okay, this table. Based on your experimentation at home, we will be able to complete the table. All you have to do is to fill in the necessary things inside the table. So I already done with my part, as you see in our flip classroom. I already did that. So I'm done with the salt solution. In the salt solution, I saw bluish blue, and I identified it as base. Okay? Are we the same? Are we the same?
Yes.
Okay, actually,
Yes po.
kinda neutral, but I think there's something wrong with the salt that we have here. Okay, so the observed color is from violet to blue, and my identification is base.
Base.
So, are we the same? Did we
Yes.
Yes
arrive with the
po.
same color?
Yes
Opo.
po.
Okay, very good. And I have the next one, toothpaste. And I got blue color with the toothpaste. Okay, this is salt color, okay? So I got it with base, and then I did
Base.
it also with vinegar. Pink to red color. What will be the identification?
Acid.
Okay, acid. That's nice observation. And grouper juice is pink to red, and I observed that it is also an acid.
Acid.
Now, we will continue and we need to fill in those blanks in our table. Are you ready to do that, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready? Are you sure? Can you send me a smiling face in the comment section if you are done? Okay, very good. Thank you so much for your response. Okay, thank you so much. Very good. Are you having fun, class? Did you learn something while we are doing the experimentation?
Opo.
How was it?
Yes po,
Very
sir.
good. That's nice. So, how was your parents' reaction regarding your home-based experiment? How was it? How
Fun.
was your parents' reaction? Fun. Did they also learn from it? Huh,
Yes.
class? Did you also learn from it? That's nice. Okay, let's now go to PearDeck presentation. So I will present my PearDeck now. Okay, there you go. Can you see it now? Can you see it now, class? Can you see my PearDeck launcher? Okay, let's wait
Yes
for
Opo.
a while
po.
so that we can hand it and simultaneously we can see your response in real time. Okay, let's wait. So how would you feel about when you did the experiment? Okay, so joinpd.com, just type it in your browser, joinpd.com, and kindly enter this, our code for today. Okay, so I will send it also the code in our comment section so that you will just paste it. Or if you have a good memory, that's okay with me. It's nothing special. Okay, I'm waiting for students. So that is our code for today, YVHRF, Young Violet Health Red Flashlight. So this is a very special code, a code only for my special students. Okay, I have 3 students. I have 4 students right now. I'm waiting for the others. It looks like 5 are connected. Let's wait for them, PearDeck. Okay, let's wait for them. Let's understand the connection of their Wi-Fi. Their bandwidth is that good. So might as well, patience is a virtue. Okay? Do not forget to join in. And also you can try this when you are using your phone, when you are using your tablet, that's okay. And especially you are using your desktop or your laptop, that's double tap up. Very okay. Maybe we can start when we are 10 so that you will be able to show what will be a real-time interaction during this class session. So we have now 8 students connected. By the way, you will not see, we will become anonymous here, but later on, after we're done with those PearDeck presentation and PearDeck answer, you will be able to locate. I will give you your scores right away. Okay? So we are now 10. Is there anyone who wanted to join? Wait, maybe let's count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's start the class right now. So we're done with this part, and we will go to our PearDeck presentation. What is our PearDeck presentation? You need to complete the what? You need to complete the what? Yes, are you there?
People.
Okay, you need to complete the table. And now I'm presenting this one, so all you have to do is to write your answers. Am I clear? Am I clear, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. Answer now. Are you answering now?
Yes.
Okay, by the way, class, thank you so much. I saw the response. By the way, class, remember that you only need to write A if it is acid. You only need to write B if it is base, or you only need to write N if it is neutral. Okay, I have here, how many of you here? 10. Very good. Kindly write your answer now. In salt solution, it can be it's very dependent, but it's neutral, okay? Just there's something wrong with our salt. Okay, very good. I saw someone who's okay. You can use your text and you can use your, what do you call this? Your pen. Okay, there you go. Let's wait for the others. Maybe I can give you at least 2 minutes for you to fill this up, for you to fill in those blanks. By the way, how was your parents' reaction with your experimentation? Are they happy that you're doing the experimentation inside your house? By the way, if you have any questions regarding this one, you can ask me, okay? Just write A. Okay, just write A, just write B, just write N. I only have 1 minute left. Okay, go ahead. Very good. Just write blue. If you saw like this one is blue, just write red. If you saw this one is red or pink, that's okay. Okay, this one's almost done. Who are you? Okay, let's overlay it so that all the answers of our classmates are here now. Am I clear? Very good. Almost like
No,
your
sir.
answers are same. Actually, we already completed because I overlaid all the answers of your classmates. So, very good. Violet to blue. Okay, green, neutral, or someone is kind of, maybe their tap water is acidic or basic, something like that. Okay. And baking soda, some says it's neutral, but I saw someone who write the correct answer. Okay, there you go. Time's up. Maybe we can check this one. Okay. This one, check, check, check. This one, green, very good. But the correct answer here is neutral. Who got it correct? Who write the, very good, Camille. So this is red, acid. Okay, very good, Royo. Orange to red, very good, acid. And we have violet to blue, actually this one. This is blue. Baking soda is blue. And this is a base. Oh, I saw some base there. Okay, so the correct answer is base. So very good job, well done. Did you complete all the tables now, class?
Opo.
Okay, very good. Very well said, huh? Okay, so we can now proceed to the next one. Because after filling in those tables, these are the guide questions that you need to answer. Okay, will you please read the guide question number one? Anyone?
I did
Anyone from the class? Okay, go ahead. Read number one.
what substances observed in the different substances.
Okay, thank you so much. Number two, who wants to read?
How to tell the lady?
Okay, lady, read number two.
How these terms related to the substances?
Okay, and number three, I will be the one who will read it. What are the substances appear to be color orange to red? What are the substances appears to be color violet to blue? And five, litmus paper and red kamote top extract serves as what? Okay, so that will be those questions that we need to answer. Are you ready to answer those guide questions?
Yes.
Yes.
As much as possible, make it simple, make it short, concise, and meaningful. Okay? Ready? Start now. So these are your, okay, very good. In number one and number two question only, okay? Okay, I got six now answering. I got seven now answering. It changes the color. Very good. Very good observation. Nice one. Do not forget to write the number, class, okay? So that we will be able to check it right after. Because all of those answers are recorded in my PearDeck, in my Google Drive. So your names and your answers are there. Although you are anonymous here, so your names and your answers are recorded in my Google Drive. Okay, very good. Wow, that's that's so mahaba, huh? That's so long. Make it as simple, concise, and as much as possible and meaningful based on what you saw. Okay, very good. Nice one. Thank you so much, Danica. You write your name too. Change in color. How about number two? Okay, I will give you another 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Wow. I like the way how you answered this one. The substances change their color once mixed with the commodity extract. Two substances which change pink to red are acidic. Oh, very nice. Huh? Very well said. Substances, while those changes or change to violet to blue are basic substances. The one which change to green, or you can say not change at all, is neutral. Very good. You have a very good eyesight, huh? That's beyond 2020. Joking, but it's not. It's a good eyesight. I like it. It changed color because the substance reacts to the red commodity top. Very good. There is a reaction. Nice one. The color substance of the basic. Okay, nice one. Okay, so thank you so much. Time's up. Maybe we can go back to that one. And let's go to questions number 3, 4, and 5. Do it now. So all you have to do is to identify which substance is a base, which substance is an acid. Okay? You can go direct to the point, Danica. You can go direct to the point. Like number 3, enumerate all the substances which are acids and base based on the coloration that you observed. Nice one. Okay, great. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 responses. Okay, nice one. Orange, wala tayo. Wala tayo orange dito. We doesn't have any orange fruit here. Don't have orange fruit in our, okay. Nice one. It's numbers 3, 4, and 5, class. Do not be confused, okay? You can answer directly. I will add another 2 minutes because this one, it has 3 questions. Okay. So it's 3:58, so might as well you will finish at 4 o'clock with this activity. Okay, calamansi, red. Thank you, acid. Some of you are men a few words, huh? Acid, bases, that's all. Don't worry, that's okay. Maybe those students who are, you know, selling something or doing the complete set, like they are the ones who complete the tasks that are given to you in your flip classroom. Okay, very good observation. We don't have number two. It is number three, four, and five. See, soft drinks. Okay. It was paper. It serves as what? Okay. Wow, thank you so much. Very on point and very specific answer, huh? Okay, thank you so much. Wow. I like the way how you answer, class. It's very direct to the point, and most of you know how to expound your words and well explained. You only have 1 minute. It's 3:59. 1 minute more. Okay. Nice one. Thank you so much. Okay. Time's up. So we will check that later on. And now we can now form our key ideas for this topic based on the observable color, based on the coloration, based on the smell of the substance, based on what you observed in the substance. We can now go to our key ideas. All the things that you use in your senses, with your senses, in identifying acids and bases, you can include it in our key ideas. Okay? Aside from the coloration, you can also make use of your senses. I know while doing this activity at home, you sound something, right? You smell something. And you maybe taste something. Okay? Right after. So these are the key ideas. Timer starts now. I will give you 3 minutes, or maybe 4 minutes rather, for you to form our key ideas. Nice one. Because not only dogs are good in smell, people also have good smell. Sense of smell rather, not smell, okay? Sense of smell. Nice one. Are good in smell. Right. Student Lex. Hi, Student Lex. I hope you're having fun. Weak for basis. Wow. So being weak is not only for Dota. Weak. No, it's not. So very good. That's additional information. A base can be a weak base and a strong base. It depends on the coloration. And we have what we call a strong base. Okay. And also we have a weak acid and strong acid. That's additional information with you guys. Thank you so much for that additional information. Sour in taste, bitter in taste. Very good. Nice work, Danica. Keep it up. Okay, acid bases can be identified. Okay. You have 2 minutes more. Don't worry. If you have the key ideas, if you have the keywords there, that's okay. Meaning to say that you understood our lesson for today. Okay, nice. Nice one, nice observation. So again, number three, acids and bases can be identified by an blank, such as blank and blank extra. Okay, thank you so much, student Lex. You are very on point. Nice one, huh? You only have 1 minute. 1 minute more. You can do it. Okay, nice answer. I like how the way you explain everything. Okay. So basically, what the use of your senses is that for us to be able also to indicate them. Okay. Nice one. 30 seconds left. Go ahead. Okay, very good observation. I like how the way you track. I like how the way you account and write all those observations. Nice one, Danica. You know how to use capitalized letters so that you know how to emphasize things, huh? I like it. Maybe if you can add some colors, just maybe become more colorful. Okay, time's up. Thank you so much for all those responses. And maybe we can check the work of Lex. Very good. Very good, Lex. Very well said. And let's move to the work of who are you? Where is Danica's work? Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, this one is also okay. Okay, very nice, class. Very nice, very nice. I like how the way you explained your observations are. So those are the key ideas. Later on, I will check that. It is already recorded. Now, this is also an additional information with you. In our pH scale, 0.6 scale is acidic. Okay, so when you see 0 to 6.5, 6.7, 8, 9, those are acidic environment or substances. Basically, this is color red up to color yellow. Am I clear? And if we have 7 scale in our pH scale, that is supposed to be neutral. Is it clear, class? Clear? Are you there? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and now from 8 to 14 scale, actually from 7.1, 7.2 up to number 14, we have, actually, this is not acidic, rather, this is a typographical error. This is a basic condition or a basic substance. Is it clear, class? Is it clear? Because later on, we will correct
Yes.
something. We will correct something. Okay? Now, let's go back to our unit. So we will end the session first, and we will name it acids and bases. Now, yes, publish student takeaways. So all your takeaways, all your answers are in my hand right now. Return to Google Slides. Okay. Thank you so much for your participation, class. And we will continue our topic with this one because we need to solve something. Because I saw something in the news. I saw some, not totally in the news, but in the new media. In the new media, meaning to say in our like Facebook. Maybe you encounter it already, or maybe your parents encounter this one already. It is now proliferated in what we call social media. I saw it also last time in our what do you call this? In our Google, not totally Google, in our Google Classroom and in our Messenger. Okay, so again, 0.6 is acidic, and then 7 is neutral, and then we have the third one, 8 to 14, that is okay. That is basic condition. Do you have any questions about this one, class, regarding the pH scale?
None.
Okay, so we have two types of indicator, right, or identifier. We have, what is the first one?
Litmus
What is the
paper.
first one? Very good. How about the other one?
Red kamote tops po, sir.
Okay, very good, Royo. So actually, class, in our school, in our laboratory, we have the red paper strip also. It is color yellow. It is what we call universal pH scale or universal indicator or identifier. Universal indicator, when you dip this yellow strip paper, it can be yellow, orange, blue, green. You will see the colors in this pH scale. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Actually, we also have pH meter. It's like you are going to dip okay, the meter, and you will be able to see that 0 point 0.1 or 1 point something, 5 point something, and 8 point something like that, and those kind of stuff, anything that is related to those class, you will identify the following if it is a base or not, based on the pH scale from 0 to 14. Am I clear? So we have
Opo.
pH meter,
Opo.
we have pH, which is a pH indicator. We have the pH meter. We have the universal indicator, which is what we have right now, the biological one, the red Camotetas extract, and then we have the red and blue litmus paper. Okay? So do you have any clarification? Or is there any vague information regarding this one?
None. Wala na po.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, class. And now we are now going to the problem solving. Are you ready to solve a problem? Actually, this is a big problem. Look at Dada's face. Is he shocked?
Yes.
Yes, very shocked right now. So this is the problem that we need to solve based on our topic for today. Topic, because it's very important. And circle the misleading information about this messenger chain message. Actually, you don't need to encircle them because we need to go back to the PearDeck. But I want you to identify what's something wrong with this message. Any observation, class?
I teacher the Lian's
Yes, Lian.
I observe of the picture is the pH scale of the fruits
Okay.
is wrong.
Very good. What's something wrong with this message? Lian, will you please educate our viewers, rather, your classmates for today?
The pH scale of the fruits is wrong.
Okay, like what? We have green lemon. What can you say about the pH scale of the green lemon? Lemon is acid or base?
Acid.
Acid. Is it correct that an acid has a pH level of 9.9?
No.
It's supposed to be what? Lower or greater?
Lower pH scale.
Very good. Yes. What else? What else? So it is about the coronavirus, something like that. It's a chain message that they need to, you need to do this stuff, something like that. What else? I want you,
The yellow lemon, sir.
yellow lemon, okay? Same as with the green lemon, right?
Opo.
From other students, I want you to look at watercress. What can you say about the watercress? Look at the watercress. Anyone? Based on our pH scale level.
Sumobra na po.
Yes, who's that? Camille.
Danica.
Okay, Danica. What is the pH level? Can you state?
22.7.
22.7. Do we have 22.7 pH level?
Wala po. No.
Wala. Very good. So, this is a misconception regarding this topic. So, these are not good information. So, we should not be able to spread this fake news. Okay? Inform them that the pH scale level is just 1 to 14 and acids has a lower, okay, pH level, and bases has higher pH level. Am I clear, class?
Opo.
Am I clear? Very good. Am I okay. You are all good, huh? Very well said. And now, on your paper, I want you to draw. If you have your paper with you, or if you have your cell phones with you, you can draw in your cell phones. By the way, you can send it to me later in our messenger. Okay? Send it to me later. You just draw 2 acids and then 2 bases. Sorry, my fault. Okay? 2 acids and 2 bases that you always see inside your houses. Just draw it. I don't care about your drawing. That's okay with me. If you use your canvas in your cell phone, if you use your paper and pen, that's okay with me. Just take a picture, screenshot, then send it to me. Am I clear, class? Clear?
Yes, opo.
Okay. Just give me a thumbs up in our comment section, okay? So now let's go to the practical application. This is very important. Okay, which of the following is a good practice between two pictures? A while ago, what can you say about the Sprite or the soft drink? Is it an acid or base?
I teacher the Rian.
Yes. Okay, yes.
The Coke versus Tooth is that's acid,
Acid.
and
Very good.
because
And,
the acid is strong and the
okay.
base is cleaning material.
Okay, very good observation, Lian. So as you can see, class, specifically carbonic acid is present in soft drinks. Okay, so they have an experimentation that when they submerge the tooth, class, kindly, please, turn off your microphone if it is not your time to shine. Okay, okay, class. And then after that, then this is now what your tooth looks like. Even I myself, because I am taking apple cider, and apple cider is a strong acid. So what is the most important part in taking apple cider is I diluted it in 1 glass of water before I drink it. Then right after that, I toothbrush. Okay? So that the acidity in my mouth will become neutralized with the base. Okay? That is when the word neutral comes in. When acid and base join together, it neutralizes the substance. Am I clear? And also, if the acidity of your mouth increase, you will have halitosis. That's a very what do you call this? That's also considered as a disease in the mouth. You have halitosis, but we can say that your mouth, you have a bad breath. If the acidity of your mouth doesn't, is not good anymore. Okay? How many times did you brush your teeth today? How many times do you brush your teeth?
Yes.
3 times a day. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Opo.
Okay, so this one class, it's okay for you to drink soft drinks. That's not bad, but make it a habit that you always brush your teeth. This is not a good exercise or a habit for you to do it all day or every day. This is a good habit for you to do every day. Am I clear, class?
Opo.
Yes, opo.
Okay, am I clear as water or vague as this afternoon?
You ask crystal.
Okay, so now we will do another day practical application. Try this at home and boost your health with this healthy and easy to do concoction. So how to make kamote top juice? Click the image to visit my website. Oh, see? Class, please turn off your microphone. See that? See our icon on the left?
Opo.
Turn off your microphone. Thank you.
Opo.
Please turn off your microphone. Thank you so much, class. I heard something. Like a noise distraction. Okay, so I have my own Google website. So we will go to our website and I will throw you to my website so that you will be able to make your own kamote top juice. Am I clear, class?
Yes.
Would you like to know about this drink?
Opo.
Okay, so you go
Opo.
to kindly turn off your microphone. Please turn off your microphone.
Easy,
Okay,
Bebe.
so welcome class to my teacher.google site. So this is my site. And for your information, I just wanted to inform and educate also your parents or your guardians that you can also visit my website. So this is all about science and technology, world and wonders of ciencia. Okay, so we will be able to know, again, Dada is here. Okay, so grade 7, physics, earth science, and all. And this is my introduction so that you will be able to know what my site is all about. So welcome to my class. So you can reach me to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, my Facebook page, and my Facebook account. So you can just click this one so that you can visit them. And my Instagram account and my Google mail. This is personal, so you can email me. And then I have also my LinkedIn. So if you have any professional connection wanting to do with me, that's okay. And this is your home-based task for today, our practical application. How to make a healthy concoction. So all the directions are in here. Okay, the ingredients and the materials needed, and procedure. And these are all the materials. If you have your honey, that's okay. Calamansi, and then the red kamote tax extra. And you can watch my own video, class. You can watch my own video how I made this tasty, healthy, and pinky juice drink about this concoction. Is it clear, class? Is it
Opo.
clear? Okay. So, do you have
Opo.
any questions about your practical application at your house? Do you have any questions?
Wala na po.
Okay. Actually, class, if you're fun with sinigang, are you fun with sinigang?
Opo.
Yes, especially yung sinigang na bangus. Okay? We add some tamarind and red kamote top extract there. So that is why the soup becomes color pink. It's because of the tamarind. Yung sampalok, it's acid. Okay? So the promise question. So I want you to grab your pen and your paper or